All right, so this is worksheet E8, Mr. Burchell's class. This is number 17 on your worksheet. It says, write the ratio of the two measurements and unit indicated at unit rate. So we have Dr. Cranium traveled. What if I can highlight? No, I don't think I can. Dr. Cranium traveled 2,800 miles in 5 hours. So we want us to know miles per hour. So we're going to say miles per hour, right? Miles is going to go first. Hours is going to go second. So how many miles are there? Well, there is 2,800. How many hours? 5. This becomes a nice little in and out assignment for us. So you know that 2,800 is going to go in. Oh, that's not in. Move that over. And 5 is going to go out. So now we just have to think, how many times can 5 go into 28? Well, we know 5 times 5 equals 25. Subtract 28 minus 5. I'm sorry, 28 minus 25 is 3. Bring down your 0. This becomes 30. How many times can 5 go into 30? That is 6. You gotta keep your stuff lined up. I'm getting a little messy here. Let me reorganize it. Alright. 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. You're going to bring down your next number, which is a 0 again, right? So it'll go here. So how many times can 5 go into 0? Well, that's easy. It should be just 0. So our answer is 560, but 560 what? 560 miles per hour. So you can either put MPH or write miles and then over hours. Either answer would be correct. There's your answer. That's how you do this assignment. Make sure you write each word out and then work it out. Thank you.